Hello children, in this video we're just gonna learn about Chapter 3 Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Module 1 topics are what is Microsoft PowerPoint, how to start or how to open MS PowerPoint in our computer system, and what is file menu and backstage view, and what is the parts of a Microsoft PowerPoint window. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful slideshow presentation program. It is a standard component of the company's Microsoft Office suite software and is bundled together with Word, Excel, and other office productivity tools. The program uses slides to convey information rich in multimedia. Not only that, MS PowerPoint is widely used in business and classroom as an effective communication tool. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in particular order to give information. A slide is a single page in the presentation that contains text, pictures, sound, or video. When these slides are displayed one after another in the presentation, it is called a slideshow. How to start or how to open Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 in our computer system. For that, you just click Start button and just find out Microsoft Office folder and then click Microsoft PowerPoint application. Within a second, we got a window like this. You just create a blank document. The empty blank document will appear like this. The method to starting MS PowerPoint is on the start screen, start typing the name of the application like PowerPoint. Search opens automatically as you type. In the search result, click the application to start. Introducing the file menu and backstage view. File tab is located on the upper left corner of MS PowerPoint 2010 window. It consists of the basic commands for creating a document such as new, open, save, page setup, print, etc. When clicked, the file menu shows the new backstage view. Backstage view is not just a menu, it contains all the create, save, share and print option for your presentation. Now just discuss about parts of MS PowerPoint window. Title bar. Title bar is the top section of the window. It shows the name of the file followed by the name of the program, which in this case is Microsoft PowerPoint. Quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is usually located on the upper left corner next to the file tab. This toolbar offers a convenient place to group the most commonly used commands in PowerPoint. You can customize this toolbar to suit your needs. Ribbon. The ribbon contains three components. Tab. They appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands. Home, Insert are the example of ribbon tabs. Groups. They organize related commands. Each group name appears below the group on the ribbon. For example, a group of commands related to fonts or a group of commands related to alignment, etc. Commands. Commands appear within each group as mentioned above. Slide area. Individual pages of a presentation are known as slides. This is the area where the actual slide is created and edited. You can add, edit and delete text, images, shapes and multimedia in this section. Zoom options. The zoom control lets you zoom in for a closer look at your text. The zoom control consists of a slider that you can slide left or right to zoom in or out. You can click on the minus and plus buttons to increase or decrease the zoom factor. The maximum zoom supported by PowerPoint is 400 and the 100% is indicated by the mark in the middle. Slide views. The group of 4 buttons located to the left of the zoom control near the bottom of the screen lets you switch between PowerPoint views. Normal layout view. This displays page in normal view with a slide on the right and a list of thumbnails to the left. This view allows you to edit individual slides and also rearrange them. Slide sorter view. This view displays all the slides as a matrix. This view only allows you to rearrange the slides but not edit the contents of each slide. Reading view. This view is like a slideshow with access to the Windows taskbar in case you need to switch windows. However, like the slideshow, you cannot edit anything in this view. Note section. This section allows you to add notes for the presentation. These notes will not be displayed on the screen during the presentation. These are just quick reference for the presenter. Tabs. Tabs is the component of ribbon. Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View are the tabs. Home is the default selected tab.